welcome to Property Cloud. I'm Roshni and today we are excited to present a grand upcoming township in Navi Mumbai, Raheja World Residences by the Raheja Universal. In this video, we will talk about project overview, location advantages, amenities, pricing, booking offers and much more. So let's start with a quick overview of the project. Raheja World Residences is a massive 60 plus acres with a ground plus 32 IT integrated township located in Joynagar, Navi Mumbai. Designed as a mixed-use development, this project brings together residential, commercial, retail and lifestyle spaces in one integrated ecosystem. If we talk about the project highlights, so this is the 60 plus acres integrated township. IT and commercial integration, modern high-rise tower, smartly designed 1, 2 and 3 BHK homes and strong growth potential in Navi Mumbai. And this project is ideal for working professionals in Navi Mumbai and Vashi, families looking for township living, first-time home buyers and investors targeting appreciation in engaging corridors. And these homes are designed with efficient space planning, spacious living and dining areas, well-ventilated bedrooms, modern kitchen and quality fittings and finishes, perfect for both end-use and rental income potential. And now let's talk about the location advantage. So this project is strategically located in Joynagar, one of the Navi Mumbai's well-connected residential location. If we talk about the nearby connectivity, so Joynagar railway station is approx 3 to 5 minutes away. Vashi is approx 10 minutes away. Palm Beach Road is approx 8 minutes away and Mumbai-Pune Expressway is approx 15 minutes away. The location enjoys seamless connectivity to business hub, educational institution, healthcare centers and rental destination across Navi Mumbai. If we talk about the amenities, so being a large-scale township, the project offers premium lifestyle amenities such as grand clubhouse, fully equipped gym, badminton court, squash court, sky lounge, and landscape open spaces. A complete lifestyle ecosystem within the community. If we talk about the residences options, so Raheja World Residences offers thoughtfully designed 1 BHK home with a carpet area starting from 452 square feet, price starting from 94 lakhs onwards. 2 BHK homes with a carpet area starting from 649 square feet, price starting from 1.12 crore onwards. And the 2.5 BHK apartment with a carpet area starting from 725 square feet, price starting from 1.75 crore onwards. Now let's talk about the possession timeline. So as per the advertisement, the project is coming soon. Detailed RERA possession timeline will be shared during the official sales presentation. And this project is currently in pre-launch phase. Interested buyers can register for early access, get priority pricing benefits, review floor plans and payment schedules, block units during official launch by paying a token amount. So if you are looking for a township lifestyle in Navi Mumbai with a strong connectivity and long-term appreciation potential, so Raheja World Residences in Joynagar is definitely a project to watch in 2026. So if you like the project, you can proceed with the booking process smoothly with full assistance. For brochure, pricing details and floor plans or to register your interest, click the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from US, UK, UAE and Singapore can also use the same link. Property Cloud is a PropTech company which directly connects you with the developers for simplifying your home buying process. It also gives you benefits like spot discount, zero brokerage, free pickup and drop services and much more. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more luxury property update.